Welcome to the channel. In this video, we'll see how we can add filter option in product pages of Shopify. Like you want to add price filter option, category filter option, any other type of filter option in your shop page of Shopify. So we'll see that. And and if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Okay, so let's go. Here, when I go to my store, customize. To show what we will do, we will install app through which we will set up different type filter in Shopify for free. First, we'll go to online store, go to navigation. Here you can see there's a filter option, but it is not active. To active, we need to install app. It is free app. You don't need to pay anything. You don't need to do anything. Just click on install. It is Shopify built app. Okay. Now here it is added. Now go to click on customize your filters. Here by default you can see two filters are added, availability, price. If you want to add more filter, here you can search filter like product type, tags, vendor, color, size, material, category. Here I have added category filter. Save. Now if you want to add some more filter, click on add filter. If you have color option, you can add color filter also, but here you can see in my website you can select which filter you want to show. Save. Now one more thing I don't want to show. Here, now go to an online store. Now what we will do, click on customize. Here different option. What you need to do, you need to go to here collection page from where all the products is shown. Here you can see in this you can see option of showing enable filtering. Here in any theme you will get this option whenever you go to product grid. Here you must need to enable it. If you don't enable it, it will be not showing. So you can select the layout like vertically. Here you can see category, colors I can able to show. Drawer you can set as per requirement. There are different type option you can set as per requirement. Okay. So that's why you can add filters, price filter, category filter, and color filter in your Shopify website in product page. If I save it, here you need to go to website, click on any we need to go to product. Here you can see filter price range, category, color. You can select filter as per your requirement and it will work. Like if I select electronic, the product electronic category will show. Okay, so that's why if you can change the price, that's why you can add filter in your Shopify website for free. Thank you for watching.